how to fix messenger notes not showing on your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix your messenger notes not showing on your messenger. So if you're also facing this same type of issue, then what you need to do is simply head over to your mobile settings, and once you're inside settings, you can simply search in the apps, or you can just hover over it. And once you search in for the apps, simply find the messenger application like this. And once you click on messenger, you'll have to head over to storage section, and from here just simply clear the cache and clear all the data from over here. And once you do that, what I want you to do is simply click on your permissions and allow everything like contacts, camera, location, microphone, everything from over here. And once you do that, simply head over to your Play Store option application, and from here simply search in for messenger and make sure it's up to date, that means it's updated. And once you do that, you may also want to restart your device by clicking on this restart option from over here. And once you restart your device, your messenger notes issue should be fixed. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.